Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, live in General Trias, Cavite. I am Ivan Cartigamoso, your weather reporter from ITG News. Now, let's see what the weather today. Today, the typhoon entered of Philippine area of responsibility named Yedeng. This is one of the typhoons that hit our country. Because the Pag-asa has already declared the rainy season in our country, it means that the existence of the southwest will be more frequent, especially of Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. There are heavy rains from time to time, especially when we have typhoons from June to October. 10 to 15 tropical cyclones are possible in our country. And that's my weather update today. I'm Ivan Cartigamoso from ITG News.